And this activity, we've been a shock food or nagagawa na natin to ever since. Okay? And Cebu province, particularly Lapu-Lapu or Mactan Island, is the very seat of this kind of activity. If we can remember, in Cebu, we have our Santo Niño Festival or the Sinulog. It is an activity, a national one, and even personalities from international or foreigner pumupunta dito. No? About 6 million, if I have not mistaken, last January, the Sinulog is flagged by not less than 6 million tourists. And way back 2015, I was here. Second or third week of November, you hosted na the APEC, Asia Pacific Economic Conference. This is the very venue of the APEC 2015. Okay. And so today, this period, this year, 2026, is the ASEAN, 48th ASEAN Conference. At what's the difference? Gagawin ulit natin the template that we have made, the template that Mactan or Lapu-Lapu have offered. And this is the kind of template. It is a coordinated, nagtulong-tulong, nagsama-sama ang ngayon natin, masyado mata si SEPR. Nagsama-sama ang security forces. Security forces ay nandyan ang Armed Forces of the Philippines. Nandyan ang Army, nandyan ang Navy, nandyan ang Marines, at lahat ng kasama ng ating Armed Forces na pinangungunahan ng ating Deputy Commander ng WESCOM, Colonel Romanillos. Nandyan ang ating element from the law enforcers to ensure orderliness and of course security rin. Nandyan ang ating Philippine National Police, nandyan ang ating NBI, nandyan ang ating Coast Guard. Okay? Of course, yung hindi ko nasabi ang Navy. Navy is part of the armed forces. Okay? And so, meron din tayong emergency responders and a lot of preparations for these emergency responses. Nandiyan ang ating jail, nandiyan ang ating fire, and the rest of the responses, especially from the Department of Health, nandiyan ang ating ambulansya, doktor, etc. Nandiyan ang ating mga hospital. Nandiyan din ang ating OCD, ang ating kababayan from Santa Ilocos. He has roots in Santa Ilocos. Dr. Abrillantes, apo, nundag mabigat. So, nandiyan sila. Why? Because of sila ang magaling mag-ayos, whether man-made or natural calamities. So, nandiyan ang ating OCD. Pag pinagsama-sama na yan, it will be a wonderful, a seamless, and a very successful conduct of any activity. And this activity is an international activity. Sinabi ko na kanina. And with those commitments, they have committed all of the transportation assets, whether it is land or sea. Yung Philippine National Police, pinadala na natin dito yung air assets ng Philippine National Police. Ang Navy, Coast Guard, nandiyan ang water assets, meron din ang PNP. And the usual land assets natin. These are committed. Of course, the skills are committed. I have heard from the host na kailangan natin mag-double time, especially so that meron tayong hindi nakikita na kalaban. nakikita natin through the website. This is yung ating naglalagay ng mga fake news at nagsasabotahe sa ating website, etc. So don't worry, the corresponding teams here are working together to address that. Okay. And so, what else? So, with this kind of forces, we gathered together. Thank you very much for the commitment.